Hey everyone, so I'm here to do my next coffee cat look. So I use sparkle leopard on my eyes. I decided to use these colors down here. I'm gonna be doing metallics, metallic lids. So I'm gonna use these two colors right here. So I'm gonna start out by using that color. My hand is killing me from looking for this. Life. I think this is an elf brush. I'm gonna dip in this brown right here. I'm gonna go with this middle, this beigey color right here. Alright, so I'm just going to use regular black mascara liner, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I'm going to do the nude one. The nude one's called La Vida Mocha. So yeah, that's the finished look. And then next week, I might not be able to do my video till Saturday. I'm gonna probably have to start early just to make sure I get to the dog's appointment on time. But yeah, so I might skip over the not skip over it, but delay the last look of the coffee looks.